LeBron on the wing. James tonight 18 points on 13 shots, and that will...
Who struggled all night. Just his third field goal. Signed that big contract right before the season.
Paul 24 on 13 shots. There's a try by James, knocked away inside, and that is a ball that's
Zubac.
Terrific. George again, Kuzma on him. Paul George. The rebounding in the game. Lakers are +5. Bron's got 5 with 18 points and 3 assists and a 3 right here. Launched. Rebound by Markieff Morris. Back to LeBron. Spins by Zubac. What? For LeBron. Lou Williams will dance and feed. Kennard. Goes by LeBron on the side. Patrick Patterson. James controlling. Harrell the screen. Outside Morris. They seem to get re-engaged on offense. That was a problem a year ago. When he would sit, they would struggle on offense. Here comes Kennard. 6-point game. Long shot.
Right off the bench here for the Clippers. Beverly with the big answer 3.
Every time the Lakers are close in this game. Here's Caruso 0-3.
2 rivals here in Staples Center.
It's Kennard with the hesitation. Zubac in there. And now 12 of 16 with the 2 right there by Zubac. 8-point game, approaching 9 to play. James tonight has played 27 minutes with his 20 points. And it's Markieff Morris in the 9 to play. Lakers have never led. Kennard and George and Zubac. Puts on the brakes, puts up a 3 and knocks it in.
Work it, PG.
LeBron is 7 of 16. Into the palm of the point guard, Patrick Beverly.
He has to go through Paul George right now.
That's a long shot. Rob George has got 20 in the second half. That will be his 10th. He's got a double-double. Schroeder's got a double-double, and Schroeder's only 4 assists away from a triple-double. James working, Beverly right with him, into MVP voting. He's won it 4 times.
What?
There's the try, and they go inside.
Brothers keeper on them.
They go in, Zubac set through. Talen Horton-Tucker is in the game for the Los Angeles Lakers. This is Caruso driving and looking to feed. It was Leonard at the other end picked up his 3rd assist on the feed to Zubac. Batum is in. Here comes George. Out to Beverly. And Christmas Day, an impressive 5-game slate on ABC and ESPN. For more, go to NBA.com or visit the NBA app. Caldwell Pope is back out there. The cramp is gone. The shot clock at 2. He's got a fire. And the Lakers 26-17 since. Leonard's got 22. George has 27. LeBron with 22 points. That's a 3. First point right there. Foul on Caldwell Pope. The other way they go with Davis, who's got 14 points and 7 rebounds over Zubac. Leonard and Davis. Caruso's on Batum. Here comes Kawhi. Horton-Tucker is there, and it goes 4. For the Clippers. Under 6 to go. Beverly screened by Zubac inside. Zubac saves the ball out to Leonard. 3 and saved by the Leonard. 3 over Harrell. No. Beverly another off. Fade away. Leonard
going forward. Very difficult to game plan for.
Schroeder with the double-double. Leonard is on him. Ibaka comes out on Schroeder. Here comes Lou Williams. 4 starters out there, and Lou Williams, who off the bench, has tonight put in 9.
He had the smaller Caruso trying to guard him in that mid-post.
Davis, fade away.
Tonight, and everyone overreacted. What's wrong with the Lakers? LeBron looks old. He looks tired. And they went on to win their 17th championship. So, 1 game, can't overreact. And a short. And you'll see those numbers.
Shooter around the screen. And looking to go. The ball deflected. The shot clock is at 5. Here comes Ibaka. And that's a foul. And Dennis Schroeder will feed Kuzma, who buries on a 3, make it 4 of 9 shooting night tonight for the Lakers. He came off the bench. He started in the preseason. Tonight coming off the bench. Lou Williams on the wing. 14-point game. Kennard, 3. He'll drive and feed, and Harrell is 47% shooting night for the Clippers. Approaching 2 to play. Leonard with it, 26. Kennard. Lou Williams, the fake and the floater. Kuzma off a screen. Every time the Lakers, Reg, have crept a little bit closer. There's a feed inside.
That was pretty nifty right there by the big guy.
Here's Leonard dancing, and Kuzma's on him. Here's Kennard, and off to Batum. Into away. Gets some nice defense by the Lakers on the fly. Certainly, you've got a target on your back. The defending champ always does.
Well, they were enjoying those in their faces, and you've got a team in the other locker room in finals, kind of steaming a little bit. And they came out and got a 22-point lead early on, and just found a way.
Combined for 40. Clippers tonight were plus 12 points in the. Kabengele is checked in, number 25 you see right there, and that shot off the baseline taken as did Kabengele. Coming up next, when Cook is in the game for the first time, and here's a Kuzma shot with the screw this one tonight. Kabengele has it. Teams in the West that a lot of people are looking at. Throw Denver, throw a lot of teams in the West. Denver certainly in that conversation. Utah.